Hey YouTube, it is Ashley MPG. It is officially iPhone 17, iPhone Air Day, and here we have the iPhone 17 Pro. The overhead is being recorded on the iPhone 16 Pro. We also have the new Apple Watch. I believe this is the 11th generation. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the iPhone first because I really want to test out the camera quality and the mic quality on the new iPhone when we record footage of the watch. So we will set this to the side for now and go ahead and get into this shipment of the iPhone 17 Pro. And there she is in all of her glory. As you can see, I did choose to rock the orange color. Automatically, I love that the Apple logo matches the color of the phone that you chose. This is like previous designs on the box where the iPhone itself has a texture to it. You can feel the actual outline of the image here. And then going around the box, everything is orange along the sides. So let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone 17 Pro. Typical packaging here that we are so used to seeing. This is like the best moment ever when you open a new phone. Oh crap. Very nice. There is a slight dust speck on the camera that we just removed. Wow. Oh hell. Sorry guys. This is so nice. The matte, so this new aluminum finish unibody casing, I'm already loving it. The design is so much different than any other iteration of the iPhone. One thing I was kind of weighing out was, should I go iPhone Air or iPhone 17 Pro? This girl is hot. She was just delivered and she's probably been on that UPS truck all day long. She is warm to the touch. And that's something I'm not used to when I first unbox these phones. I do it every year. So interesting that she may hold more heat than other phones do, but only time will tell. So I'm sure when we plug it in for the first time and go through a whole battery cycle, we'll know more about how hot this phone gets. I hope it doesn't get extremely hot because that is relatively annoying. But without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the rest of this thing. So I'm showing you right now on the overhead camera just how beautiful this phone is. We did get the new TechWoven case for it. I hope you'll check out that video. Man, this thing just looks different. The material on the casing, this unibody, like I said, it is different. Absolutely immediately. It looks like an iPhone case that you put on another iPhone. That's how different it is. And so I'm really glad for a couple of reasons that I went with the 17 Pro, but this isn't a full review, so I'll just quickly go over that. One is, undeniably, this is a new iPhone. And I don't like a lot of attention, but the orange color did get me. And if I'm gonna upgrade a lot, it's really exciting to just have something different looking. And I felt like this stood out a little bit more. The second reason is, with the iPhone 16 Pro that I already had, the Air was almost a major downgrade. And when I record videos and stuff like that, I know the channel's not huge, but it does matter to me what kind of quality I'm pushing out. That phone doesn't have studio mics. That phone has a far worse camera, even though all of the lenses are combined into one. I think that's so sick. And if I didn't record video and I didn't have football games where I'm really zooming in, because the photo zoom and all of that is just not where it's at on the iPhone Air. So if you use those features, it might be a slight downgrade, especially if you have the iPhone 16 Pro. Turning this thing over, another favorite part of mine. So I love that they kind of show you what the function of each button does. We are all pretty much familiar with iPhones, but if we weren't, there's the handy little guide. And I do wonder, are they not orange in color if you go with the other colors, which are like a navy blue and then also like a white color, I think. We'll go ahead and peel this protective layer off. It looks very nice. Now, like I said, we do have that new TechWoven case, so of course we're gonna go ahead and put that on. We also have the charging cable here. And then the little lift out packet, we'll probably leave it as is, but I do notice that usually the shape of this, I believe, is kind of like a square with rounded corners, and this time we're going for more of an oval pill shape. So that's interesting and different. I wouldn't say it's cool, but it's different. Well, let's see if she powers on. Is it that kind of one of the important things? Just curious to see where her battery is standing. There's our beautiful Apple logo. And there she is. Battery looks to be at about 50 to 60%. She's ready for setup. We're gonna do that off camera. Before we go, I did want to go ahead and put that beautiful TechWoven case on the phone to show you what it looks like in the colorways. And so be right back. Okay, well, here's the whole lineup. We have our phone, and then we have the TechWoven case. Again, if you didn't see my review of this case already, you can go ahead and check the link out for that. Basically, this came a little bit earlier than the iPhone, so I did take a first look at it, give some first impressions. So please check that out because we're not going to go over that stuff again. But one of the things I said in that video was that this case does actually fit on the iPhone 16 Pro. It's a little loose, and so I want to see how it fits on this, but you could definitely rock it on your 16 Pro if you really wanted to. It's probably not something I would do, but it works. So let's see, go ahead and popping into place. Wow, okay, so first impressions when putting the case on, you can see the orange lip around the case. So you've got that kind of two-tone color, and it's so cool because I was thinking that the edges would completely cover that bezel there, and it doesn't. So you still get that two-tone effect if you're looking to kind of match up some different colorways there. And then flipping to the back is what we were really going for. And so this will be kind of my magic reveal. Like, this is a look that I wanted most. And there it is. The orange with the navy blue colorway. We do have a navy strap coming in. Those things were like immediately on back order. So I ordered from a couple of places. We'll see which one gets here first, and I'll bring you the review of that. But this has been Ashley MPG. I really hope you have enjoyed this unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro. I know I'm going to look back on this video next year and be like, it's already time for the iPhone 18 Pro, Air, whatever they're going to call it next year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we take a look at the new Apple Watch Series 11.